Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open and how to get stickers on Monopoly Go. On my previous video, I've talked about how to access Monopoly Go on your PC, right? Well, in this one, I'm going to teach you how to get stickers. Now, what are stickers? First and foremost, again, I'm going to ask you kindly to get a piece of paper, a pen that you write down these steps. I'm going to give you actually 5 or I think 4 to 5 steps here, okay? So first of all, open Monopoly Go. Let me just lower the volume there. And there you go. This is Monopoly Go. This is where we play. This is the upcoming game right now. Actually, I'm loving it personally. I love this game. As a kid, I was playing as a board game, and now it has a mobile application and it has a lot of features rather than the focusing on the game itself. Anyway, to get back to the video, how to get stickers. First step, of course, is finish quick wins. Now, what are quick wins? As you can see here, my level is 35 as of now. You can see the level on the top left. It says 35. Now, technically, as you progress on the level here, you unlock certain aspects of the game. I can only get to wins here, a build, and then I can also get to the album, and of course, friends. I can also get to the store here, right here. Anyway, I'm gonna talk about it later. I just want to highlight that as you progress to the level, you unlock certain features. Now, to get to the wins stickers, type in this one. It's called Quick Wins. As you get with this one, it's just like to-do list or the list that you need to do to get the prizes and such, and this is a way to get stickers. That being said, that's step one, or that's first of the things that you need to learn to get free stickers. Moving on, progressing to milestone event. Now, milestone event are random events that spawn or open up from time to time. It doesn't mean that it says milestone event that is fixed like this part right here. It doesn't do that. Milestone event are random spawn from time to time. It depends on Monopoly Glow itself. Now, next one is finishing up to the tournament. Now, tournaments are also events that are given randomly. Now, to check what's ranking you are on, just go to this section right here, friends. As you can see, my friend first is going to be Francis right there with top 1. Now, if you want to get stickers here every event, you need to be on top 3. That being said, those events or tournaments are finished or are randomly spawned throughout the game. Next one is spin color set wheel. As you can see here, please take note that the board has colors, right? On this red one, I have 3 houses. On the first one, and the second one has 1 and 2 houses, okay? Now, color set wheels. If I had 3 houses on both colors, on 3 of the colors, then I can get this, what they call a spin wheel. It's not really fixed. You can only get it once you get all houses on a specific color, and then just spin it. This is like a colorful wheel that has prizes in it, and that wheel has stickers. And of course, second is going to be being gifted from a friend. This is the friends section. As you can see here, this friend of mine gifted me a community chest that I have rolls. He can also gifted me stickers. That being said, ask your friend to give you stickers. That's one of the steps. And of course, lastly, the very easy way, the most fastest way to get stickers is of course buying it with real money. Go to the shop right here. You have rolls, money, and the stickers right at the bottom. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.